Maximize your real estate investments. Mastering the 1031 exchange. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to buy a home using a 1031 exchange. Whether you're a seasoned real estate investor or just getting started, the 1031 exchange can be a powerful tool to grow your portfolio. Let's dive in and explore the process together. Step 1. Sell your property. To begin, you must sell your current investment property. Ensure that it qualifies for a 1031 exchange, meaning it's held for investment or business purposes, not personal use. Step 2. Identify replacement properties. Within 45 days of selling your property, you must identify potential replacement properties. You can identify up to 3 properties or any number of properties with a total value not exceeding 200% of the value of your sold property. Step 3. Enter into a contract. Once you've selected your replacement property, it's time to enter into a contract with the seller. Work closely with your real estate agent and a qualified intermediary who will help facilitate the exchange. Step 4. Transfer funds through a qualified intermediary. To keep the exchange compliant, you cannot directly touch the sale proceeds. Instead, the funds will be held by a qualified intermediary. This prevents them from being taxed as capital gains. Step 5. Close on the replacement property. Within 180 days from selling your property, you must finalize the purchase of your replacement property. The closing process remains similar to any other real estate transaction. Congratulations! You've successfully completed a 1031 exchange and acquired a new investment property while deferring capital gains taxes. Remember, always consult with a qualified tax advisor or legal professional to ensure you meet all IRS requirements for a 1031 exchange. Happy investing and thank you for watching.